How's everybody doing today? I wanted to talk about supersonic, transonic, and subsonic, and accuracy of why the 22 long rifle, which, fun fact, the 22 rimfire came about in 1857. But there's some kind of magic that happens when you get a 40 grain bullet traveling under the speed of sound. I like these CCI standard velocity. They're billed at 1070 feet per second. 40 grains. A lot of people would rather have a 22 mag or whatever, but 22 mag's a great cartridge, don't get me wrong. There's a need for both of them, but a 22 long rifle, you can shoot it a lot further. People think I'm crazy for saying that. See, 22 long rifle, that particular load, they make hotter loads, but 22 long rifle, when you shoot it, that load, it's traveling at a speed slower than the speed of sound. So the speed of sound can't catch up and hit the base of that bullet, throwing it off course and making it all weird with its trajectory. So if you start out slower than the speed of sound, it'll stay consistent. The speed of sound don't catch it up and throw it all weird and stuff. So I can show you this. I'm shooting a target at 200 yards. It's 203 yards. And I just typed everything in my ballistic calculator. Let's see how it works.